To take screenshot in Samsung A14, the first way is we're going to click and release both power and volume down. So don't hold these two. I'll show you an example. So 1, 2, 3, click release. And if done right, it will take a screenshot. But if you don't like that way, the second way is we will swipe down from the top twice. Then on the older software, we swipe to the left and there will be a plus button. If we don't see the plus button, we will instead tap on the pencil. So I'll tap on the pencil here. Then we will tap the edit option to edit the toggles. So what we are looking for is the take screenshot, and it looks like this. Drag and then drop take screenshot into the quick toggles. Then when you want to take a screenshot, swipe down from the top twice and just tap the take screenshot button.